What's happening, guys? Jay Riggs here with Riggs Fabrication. Today we're going to talk about what modifications we've done to the 57 Apache pickup. So first thing we did was panel out the rear of the truck. The significant things that we've done is we re-radiused the bed sides to match the body. So the bed had more of a flat top and more of a pointy edge on it, and we reshaped all of this and turned it into a unibody. So the customer started the project, he had a rendering, and this is exactly what the rendering looked like, and we're like, hey, none of these lines match up. Is this what we're gonna do? So we took the time to undo all the structure of the bed, and we formed all this back over and reshaped everything. Eliminated the bed separation by making it a unibody. The rocker was different here on the bed than it was through the cab. So what we did was we rebuilt the entire thing and made it all one piece and made the rocker body moldings match all the way through. And then it's sitting on a chassis, so normally there would be this large step right here, and we had to make it shorter because the chassis is really wide. So the next steps for this truck, where it sits right now, is it's gonna go and get a coating of a direct metal epoxy. Then we're gonna do all the mechanical mock-ups. We're gonna mount the AC unit, do all the steering linkage, probably take care of the exhaust, make sure everything's mounted and plumbed, and then bodywork will begin. This truck's sitting on a No Limit Engineering Big 10 chassis, which is kind of one of their more high performance chassis. It's got a Borowski LS motor in it, a little over 700 horsepower. So I think he wants to go left, right a little bit, and should be a pretty exciting truck. Give us a like and a follow on our YouTube and our Instagram, and keep an eye out for another video about the progress of this truck.